Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. Today's video, guess what we're doing? What are we doing?
We're gonna tint the rear windows.
Oh yeah, guys. So, you know how I talked about, getting the rear windows tinted on this car? Well, you know what? It's about time. I was thinking about it and I was like, you know what? Instead of me just going somewhere to, get it done, I figured, hey, why not learn,
Yeah,
and then, yeah, why not learn, do it ourselves, figure it out, because, it'll be kind of fun. Well, not kind of, it'll be fun to actually figure this stuff out. I mean, we have nothing to lose, because the tint.
If it doesn't work, we'll just go get it done somewhere.
Yeah, just go get it done somewhere, so.
It's not gonna hurt to try.
Yeah, which makes sense. So, yeah, we are going to be tinting the window today, and it should be fun. She's going to be starting a YouTube channel, forgot to say.
Oh, yeah.
So, if you guys are watching the video, her YouTube channel is,
Hey Girls Garage.
yeah, Hey Girls Garage, so.
Similar name, just girl.
Yeah, she hasn't posted any videos yet, but if you guys want to go check out, videos on her car and on the Jeep. You guys have seen the Jeep. I don't know if you guys are new to the channel, but this is her Jeep right here. She's gonna be doing some few modifications and some few maintenance on it, so it'll be cool. You guys go check it out. Subscribe to the channel so she can, start posting videos. I'm curious to see how many of you are gonna subscribe to the channel. But before we move on to the actual video, if you guys are new to the channel and you like this video, go check out other videos as well. And if you do like the other videos, hey, you know what, just join the family, hit the subscribe button, and we can go from there, so you can keep up to date with the channel and stuff. This is not the only car on the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, this is a C230. It's a Mercedes C230 2007. So I have a lot of videos on this car, and there is the CLK 500 over there. This car is heavily modded, worked on. So if you guys are actually interested to check that out, that would be super cool. So check it out. So this kit we got from O'Reilly's. Pretty simple kit. It's got everything you need for tinting. This was like 12 bucks. This tint right here, 5%. This is like a heat shield tint, also from O'Reilly's as well. I think this was like 12 bucks. So not too expensive at all. Blocks the UV 99% of the time. And so, if you guys want to pick this up, oh, that's in Spanish, sorry guys. And yeah, it reduces the heat up to 50%, so which is pretty nice. I mean, 5% of the rear window, that's not bad at all, right? Yeah, that's not bad. Also, the other tint I got, this is a 20% tint. So this is going to be on the windshield, and this is the what is it, nano ceramic window tint. So ceramic tint is actually,
it's also supposed to block the heat.
yeah, it's supposed to block the heat. So ceramic tint is actually really good tint. So we're gonna try that 20% on the on the windshield, and probably gonna do 20% on her front windshield, because like, I mean, look at that. Yeah, on her front windows. Yeah, you know what? I'm not sure yet. That's a good question. Guys, we might do the windshield in a separate video, but
we'll see. We're gonna do my windows with the 20% and see if we have enough left.
Yeah, if we have enough left. Yeah, so if we don't do it in this video, obviously we're gonna come up with a part 2 doing the windshield in a separate video. So that should be good. But I mean, pretty much this is all you need, guys, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and start the video. Quite hard to explain some of the process for you guys, but most of it I'll probably put you guys on a time lapse and do some B-rolls as well, and try and explain again some of the process here. Alright guys, so you saw I basically did the template cutout for the window. Obviously, I went ahead and made sure each side was measured perfectly, cutting each side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna heat shrink the bottom, and the top as well.
I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a 2-inch gap or so at the bottom right now.
Yeah, don't worry about that because, you know, it's already measured to the window. So I just have it up so we can heat shrink the bottom and heat shrink the top so that we have it perfectly. So when we apply it to the window, you know, we can go ahead and, you know, easily tuck it in and be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and use the, you could use this if you don't have a heating gun. Just make sure, you know, when you use it, you don't keep it at one spot for more than a second because then you're gonna destroy the tint. So we're gonna use it until, you know, all the water is out.
And you're gonna use the squeegee at the same time.
Yeah, the squeegee at the same time. So, but you guys are gonna see it once, you know, we start working on it. So pretty much you want to line it up right here. That's what I'm gonna do. But looks like
It's pretty good.
looks like it's pretty good all the way to the top. Just gotta line up the outside. Ooh, guys, check it out. I think I mentioned this is 5% tint. There's little imperfections. I don't know if the sun is gonna, you know, buff it out. I doubt it, but if you take a look, well, actually, you know, I don't really mind about this right here. Maybe the sun might take it out, but this corner right here, yeah, there's a little bit of some bubble there, just because, you know, I had a little extra you know, tint that I had to really tuck in there, so it kind of, you know, moved it a little bit down there. That's why you can see the bubble there. But hey, again, like, I'm not too worried about that. Like, everything else looks pretty good, and I'm really impressed with this, guys. Like, this is pretty sweet. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it looks blue on the inside. Yeah, you can tell my cut. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain, guys. This is pretty good. This is pretty neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other window, but I mean, just looking at the car in general, like, you can tell it looks pretty good with, you know, both windows tinted. And then if you take a look at this side, obviously, like, it just looks not right at all. But yeah, guys, this looks really good. So I don't think I'll, you know, waste more time showing you guys the other side. Once we're done with both windows, I'll show you guys the car real quick. I'm really happy. I'm pretty impressed with this. This looks really good. Guys, I'm super sweaty, but you know, it's completed. I'm actually really happy with the results. Let me show you guys real quick. I mean, there are little imperfections just because, you know, we're not professionals and this is our first time actually doing window tints, but take a look at it. So this side you got right here looks in pretty good shape. I mean, obviously there's going to be a little bit of some bubbles here and there. I'm going to go ahead and crease it off just a little bit, and you know, let it come out. And the bubbles are there because, you know, there's still water in there, so it has to sit in the sun and make it, you know, come out, you know, perfect. But I mean, just a little bit of some imperfections here and there. Like, where can you see it? Right in the corner here, you can see there's a little bit of some tint that wasn't, you know, measured properly. But from the outside, you can't really tell. You see right there also, and then once you go up, it's covered. So it just comes down to measurements. So that's that with that window. This window right here is actually really good. The only thing was I had some extra tint that I needed to push down in there, so you can kind of tell it's been crackled a little bit on the tint itself, so you can see there's like a bubble right there, and it's definitely not going to stick any longer. This right here was already like that when the car came, so it kind of looks like, you know, the tint has been on the car for a while. It's just like wear and tear. And if you look on the inside, again, you know, some measurements you could tell from the inside right there. Well, you know, it wasn't perfect, but to be honest, like this looks great for the first time, and from the outside it looks perfect. Like, it looks really good. It looks a lot better than what it was. Wow, I can't believe. Yeah, guys, I mean, this shows you, you know, how much a tint can go really far in a car. And so this looks really good, guys. I'm super impressed with this one.
It really changed the look of it.
Yeah, it really did. Her channel, if you want to go check out her channel, it's Hey Girls Garage. Her link will be in the description below. I feel like there's something in my eye right now. Okay, guys, we've been like super sweaty. It's been hot.
4.5, 5 hours doing this tint. We didn't think it would take us this long, so
yeah. But you know, I think you guys will really enjoy her channel. You know, she started uploading videos like real quick, real soon, on that Jeep. Okay, so you know what we actually ended up doing? We ended up doing this car and doing her car as well. We did the front 2 windows. It looks really good. I mean, like, again, tint really changes the look of the car.
yeah.
So you know what, the final thing we're gonna really tackle is to do the windshield. I know for mine, I'm definitely gonna be tinting it on the windshield, a 40 or 30% tint. So we'll figure it out in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, go ahead and smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, again, go check out other videos. And if you like the channel, smash the subscribe button as well, so you can keep up to date with you know, more future videos. So here's the car one more time, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.